Paano kung buhay ka pa, pero ubos na ang retirement fund mo? You retired at 65, expecting your savings to last for the rest of your life. Ilang taon na ang parents at grandparents mo ngayon? May umabot ba sa kanila na 80 or 90 years old? Because if longevity runs in your family, your retirement could last 20, 30, or even 35 years. And here's what many people don't realize. Living longer is a blessing. But living longer than your money can become a financial burden. Kaya kung nasa 30s ka pa lang, katulad ko, hindi ito problema na dapat ipagpaliban para sa 60-year-old version mo. The retirement you'll have by the age of 65 and 70 is being decided by what you do with your money in your 30s and 40s. Because the earlier you prepare, the more time for your money to grow and less pressure on you para mag-catch up later. Most people are preparing enough money to retire. But very few lang ang nagpe-prepare paano pag naubos na yung first retirement fund nila na galing sa trabaho, galing sa SSS, sa pension, and the like. Ito ang tinatawag namin na unfunded years. These are the years that you're still living, still spending, but the money that you initially prepared may no longer be enough. So today, pag-usapan natin kung paano ka makakapag-prepare for those unfunded years while the time is still on your side. Introducing our newest plan, AIA Platinum Secure. This is a whole life participating plan, meaning covered ka ng life insurance hanggang age 100 at meron ka rin matatanggap na non-guaranteed dividends, kaya participating. Ang plan na to ay na-create because Filipinos are living longer. Last 2025, that's 71.9 years ang average age natin. Versus the global average age na 73.49 years old. And 75 years from now, we will be reaching 80s. Ganon kahaba ang magiging life expectancy ng mga Filipinos. And based on the Okta survey last March 2026, 45% of the Filipino families, ito ang top national concern natin, which is inflation. Pero for the personal concern, it will be health. Makikita natin dito, mas mataas pa ng sobra ang pag-increase ng medical cost dito sa Philippines na more than 18%. So kung hindi tayo magse-save for our future, mas mahihirapan tayo to cope up with the expenses, whether pang-araw-araw natin or pang-medical. At ito ang mga kinakaharap ng mga 70 years old and above, or tinatawag natin na platinum years. May natatanggap na pension, limited nga lang, yan, fix yan, rising healthcare cost, dun na mas lumalabas yung mga sakit. So pag hindi pa tayo nag-save for that retirement or health coverage, mas mahihirapan tayo. Yung savings natin, nadideplete na din because we're no longer earning. And then, tumataas na rin yung number of people na dependent sa kanilang anak or other family members. And also, limited protection access. Mahirap nang kumuha ng plan by this time. I would like to emphasize this one. The average na natatanggap ng pension ng mga Filipino retirees is only 5,000 pesos per month. Magkano na lang yan? Magkano na lang mabibili? Ngayon pa nga lang, ang hirap-hirap na. That's not enough. And the question is, nakapag-start ka na bang mag-save for your retirement? Kasi during those years, habang nag-work pa tayo actively, ito yung pre-retirement years natin. Mag-start na tayo mag-wind down pag 61 to 65, and then beyond 65, 70, onwards, ito na talaga yung tunay na retirement. Kung yes ang sagot mo sa tanong ko kanina, short term ba yan, 1 to 3 years? Medium term, 3 to 9 years? Or long term, 10 years and above? Kasi if you want to enjoy 20 years of your retirement, you must save 20 years earlier and mag-save ka ng 20% ng money mo for the future. That 20% ay para lang sa retirement mo. Kahit 20s ka pa lang, 30s ka pa lang, ito nga yung great time para mag-save for it. So that hindi super steep or super laki ng kailangan mong umpisahan, kailangan lang magkaroon ka ng habit of saving. Paano nga ba makakatulong ang pagkuha ng AIA Platinum Secure para sa retirement mo? Pag-usapan natin ang mga key benefits niya. Ito yung guaranteed issuance even at age 75. Meron rin tayong key milestones by age 80 and 90. Meron pa rin tayong guaranteed cash payouts like A+ signature, guaranteed death benefit, and guaranteed maturity by the age of 100. Meron rin tayong other notable features, non-guaranteed dividends. Pwede kang magkaroon ng riders up to 8, depende kung ano mga gusto mong ilagay. And meron rin tayong medical variant. So kung gusto mo ng HMO for confinement na under Medicare ang ating health card. Whether you're 30 to 40s na nagbibuild pa lang ng life mo, accelerated na 40 to 50 years old, 50 to 60s na peak income years, or nag-start na mag-retirement na 60 years old and above, pwede kayo sa plan na to. Let's talk about the first key feature of AIA Platinum Secure. It is the guaranteed issuance even at age 75. For 70 years old to 75 years old, meron po tayong plans na single pay, 2-pay na limited time offer until October 1, 2026, and 5-pay. GIO or guaranteed issuance offer is acceptable lang sa mga cases na to. Una, kapag yung health status ng member na yan, even 70, 75 years old, ay hindi lalagpas sa Class D. Wala siyang any application na na-decline, na-postpone, or natag as incomplete in the past. And if ever man meron siyang previous application na natag as incomplete, basta meron siyang latest approve at na-issued regular policy ito, pwede rin siyang makapag-apply. Pag hindi pumasok sa mga conditions na to, papasok po siya sa regular underwriting. Meaning, i-declare lahat yung mga health conditions at possible, ipamedical tayo ng AIA. The second key feature is the milestone bonus. Itong AIA Platinum Secure, para lang din siyang A+ signature. Ang kaibahan lang, hindi ka na mag-aantay na ma-reach mo yung age 100 para makuha mo ng buo yung maturity benefit. Dahil na-mention ko kanina, humahaba na ang mga buhay ng Filipinos. By age 80, you will already receive 25% of the face amount and also pag 90 years old. Itong dalawang milestone bonuses na to, ina-advance siya from the maturity benefit. For example, si Sarah, 30 years old, kumuha siya ng AIA Platinum Secure na 20-pay, may face amount siya na 350,000. 25% of that, kapag na-reach niya yung age 80, matatanggap niya yung 87,500. Yung note lang dito, you have an option during your application kung kukunin mo ba ang mga payouts, pati itong milestone bonus, or iiwanan mo na lang sa plan para mas tumaki pa siya. The third key feature is the guaranteed cash payouts. Pasok ito sa 5 core guarantees ng AIA Platinum Secure. For single pay and 2-pay, ang mangyayari, pwede mo na matanggap by the end of 5th year yung guaranteed cash payout mo na 10% of the face amount. Pero pag ang nakuha mo naman ay 5-pay, 10-pay at 20-pay, by the end of 8th year mo naman matatanggap. Matatanggap mo lang ito kapag pinili mong makuha itong guaranteed cash payout. Pero pag pinili mo ito to live together with the potential dividends, the milestone, mas may potential pa siyang lumaki in the future. Kung ikukumpara natin to sa A+ signature, yung A+ signature by the end of year 6 mo matatanggap ang first payout kung sakaling 10 or 20 years. Pero dito, by the end of 8th year. This plan ay ginawa para isave mo for the long term, para sa retirement mo, para sa unfunded years na tinatawag natin. Kaya, inusog ang payout para mas may time yung money to grow kasi pag age 80 at 90 ka, ia-advance naman yung milestone bonus versus sa A+ signature na walang ganun. The fourth key feature is the guaranteed death benefit. You'll get 200% of the face amount or total premiums paid less the cash na receive na ng insured or ng policy owner. Plus any payouts, any dividends na meron ka pa, less the debt to the company and the milestone bonus paid. Whichever is higher dito sa dalawang ito. Ito ang ating issue ages para sa insured. Kapag single pay, pwedeng 0 to 75 years old. Ganon din ang 2-pay na limited time offer. Pag 5-pay, 0 to 70 years old. Pag 10 pay, 0 to 65 years old. And pag 20 pay, 0 to 55 years old. Kindly note na kapag minor pa ang kinuhanan ng insurance policy, if that insured dies prior to reaching 4 years old and 6 months, meron po itong multiplier to determine the final death benefit na maibibigay sa family member. For example, 3 years old, namatay po siya, kung 1 million ang face amount at nakalagay dito 60%, imumultiply sila, ang matatanggap ng family member ay 2 million kasi nga 200% yung ating death benefit times 60%. So matatanggap ng beneficiary or ng parents niya ay 1.2 million. The fifth key feature ay guaranteed maturity benefit at age 100. Sa example natin kanina, kunyari si Sarah, age 30, at ang kanyang plan ay 350,000 ang face amount. Pag na-reach niya yung age 80, may marireceive siya na 25%. Ito yung 87,500. Ganon din pag age 90, 87,500. Kapag na-reach niya yung age 100, 150% of the face amount, which is 525,000, yan yung matatanggap niya as maturity benefit. O diba? Versus yung A plus signature, lahat yon by maturity mo pa makukuha. Ito may ma-advance ka na milestone bonuses, tapos meron ka pang maturity kung sakali pag na-reach mo yung 100. Okay, buuin natin ang kwento. For example, si Sarah, 30 years old, kumuha siya ng AAA Platinum Secure. 32,000 ang kanyang annual premium and that's 657,160 kung imumultiply mo yon na 20 years na yung nabayaran na total premium. Meron siyang face amount na 250,000. Ito yung magiging basis ng kanyang 10% na guaranteed cash payout by the end of year 8, every 2 years while alive. Kapag 30 years old na si Sarah at pinili niyang makuha ang kanyang benefit na guaranteed cash payout, matatanggap niya ito by age 38 all throughout na buhay siya. And that's 31 payouts na 10% ng face amount na 25,000. That's 775,000. Thinking kunyari, nabuhay siya hanggang age 100. And by age 80, may matatanggap na siya ng milestone bonus na 25% of the face amount or 62,500. Ganun rin kapag age 90 na siya, 62,500. When Sarah reaches age 100, may matatanggap siya na 150% na maturity benefit or 375,000. Dahil sa example ko kanina, kinuha niya yung kanyang guaranteed cash payout. Ang mangyayari doon, ang matatanggap niya na lang by age 100 ay 1.27 million. Pero pag iniwan niya yung kanyang guaranteed cash payout, ang kanyang milestones, and even the potential dividends, pwedeng umabot ng 5.93 million ang matatanggap niya na maturity benefit pag age 100. Diba? Ang laki-laki ng difference kapag iniwan mo lang doon to grow, lalong-lalo na ang purpose ng pagkuha ng AAA Platinum Secure ay magkaroon ka ng backup fund as your retirement for those unfunded years. Another example, kung sakaling ang kinuhang plan ni Sarah ay mas mataas ang premium, 124,000, and then 20 years to pay na AAA Platinum Secure, that's 2.48 million yung total in 20 years. 30 years old ulit siya kumuha, and kapag pinili niyang kunin ang kanyang guaranteed cash payout na 10% of the face amount, which is 100,000, makukuha niya ito by the end of year 8 or 38 years old siya. And kung nabuhay siya hanggang age 85, matatanggap na yon every 2 years while alive. Dito sa example na to, 100,000 times 24 payouts, that's 2.4 million. And nung time na nag-80 years old siya, nakatanggap siya ng first milestone bonus na 25% of the face amount or 250,000. When the insured dies by the age of 85, of course, the policy terminates. Ang mangyayari dito, matatanggap ng 200% of the face amount. Yun yung kanyang life insurance na matatanggap ng kanyang family or beneficiaries. May computation lang tayo na 200% of the face amount less the milestone bonus at age 80 that's 1.75 million kung sakaling pinili niyang makuha yung kanyang guaranteed cash payout. Pero during application, kung sakaling ang pinili niya ay iwanan ang kanyang guaranteed cash payout, ang kanyang milestone at ang kanyang potential dividends, possible na ganito kalaki ang matanggap ng kanyang beneficiaries. From 1.75 million na no accumulation to 10.77 million kapag inaccumulate niya na lahat ng mga ito at hindi kinuha ng mas maaga. Ang gusto namin ipakita sa inyo dito ay yung pagkakaroon ng long-term thinking. Basta ang purpose ng pagkuha ng plan mo ay pang-retirement, mas maganda mag-start ka na mas maaga at isipin natin yung long-term, yung unfunded years. During those times na kapag naubos na yung first retirement plan mo from your company, from SSS, and meron ka pa ring matatanggap. Kapag nag-start ka ng maaga at age 30 na kumuha ng AIA Platinum Secure, kunyari na lang 20 years to pay ito at 1 million ang kanyang face amount, pareho lang naman yung ibabayad mo. Whether kunin mo agad yung guaranteed cash payout or iwanan dyan, 2.48 million, pareho lang syempre ng guaranteed cash value by that time. Pero ang total guaranteed cash payout, mas malaki kapag iniwan mo siya sa plan mo. Pag nakuha mo, that's 2.2 million. That's 10% of your face amount. Pero pag iniwan mo siya at hinayaang lumaki, magiging 6.21 million. Kasama na yung guaranteed cash payout, kasama na rin yung milestone bonus at 4.2% accumulation growth rate. Pag kinuha mo na mas maaga ang iyong guaranteed cash payout, by age 80, ang total living benefits mo ay 4 million. Pero kapag iniwan mo siya at kukuhanin mo na lang by age 80, that's 7.85 million. Almost times 2 na siya. Yung potential na kitain ng money mo dahil iniwan mo na lang siya kasi ang purpose naman ng pagkuha ng plan nito is for the long term. Diba pinag-usapan natin kanina, itong plan na to ay pwede rin para sa mga platinum years. For example, si Manuel na 70 years old. Kumuha siya ng plan na AIA Platinum Secure para hindi ma-deplete lahat ng hard-earned money niya in the past years, yung prime working years niya. Kinuha niya yung single pay na GIO, Guaranteed Issuance Offer na plan natin na 2.44 million. Meron rin siyang face amount na 1 million pesos. Since single pay ito, by the end of year 5, makakatanggap na siya ng guaranteed cash payout na 10% of the face amount, that's 100,000, starting age 75, all throughout na buhay pa si Manuel. That's 14 payouts from age 75 to age 100, that's 1.4 million. And syempre, 10 years from now, mula age 70 na kumuha siya ng AIA Platinum Secure, dahil mag-80 na siya, makakatanggap siya ng 25% ng face amount, which is 250,000. Ganun rin, pag nag-90 years old siya, 250K. Dahil inaalagaan ni Manuel yung sarili niya, nag-e-exercise siya, nag-i-strength training, kumakain siya ng tama, inabot niya yung age 100. By that time, makukuha niya ang 150% ng face amount, which is 1.5 million. And syempre, yung potential dividends niya, idadagdag na rin sa plan. Kaya magiging 3.4 million. Pero pag pinili ni Manuel na hindi kunin ang kanyang guaranteed cash payout by the end of year 5, ang mangyayari, ito yung potential na i-grow ng money niya. With accumulation, that's 4.3 million. Kasama na yung guaranteed cash payout, milestones, and also yung potential dividends. This is a reminder that yung dividends ay non-guaranteed at depende siya sa performance ng ating company. Sa example ko kanina kay Sarah na 20 years na 1 million face amount, kung isasama ko na doon ang dividends sa illustration, 973,000 ang kunyaring dividends niya by that time. Pag iniwan niya, 2.3 million. And kung ito total siya sa total living benefits by age 80, 5 million kapag kukunin mo agad yung payouts ng mas maaga versus accumulate it until age 80, that's 10.24 million. Kaya talagang times 2 yung pwedeng kitain ng money mo. AIA Platinum Secure is not an investment plan. Hindi niya purpose na talagang pakitain yung pera mo. Ang goal lang nito ay mag-save ka religiously, makapag-create ng habit, at maitago yung pera mo kaysa magastos mo siya para sa unfunded years mo. And then eventually, makover ka rin ng life insurance policy. Kung gusto mo pang mas mapaganda ang AIA Platinum Secure mo na plan, pwede tayong maglagay ng tinatawag natin na optional riders or additional benefits. Meron tayong 8 optional riders na pwedeng ilagay. Unang-una, yung Enhanced Medical Benefit Rider. Ito yung HMO for confinement wherein 80 to 90% ng hospital bills after PhilHealth ang mako-cover sa card subject to limits, and then 10 to 20% care of the member na. Itong EMBR na to or HMO for confinement ay renewable hanggang mag-age 80. Kung sakaling pinili mo ay yung shorter years to pay na plan, tapos ka na magbayad nun, pwede mong bayaran pa rin at i-renew itong HMO for confinement mo para covered ka pa rin. Itong rider na to, nag-i-increase siya kasi nag-i-increase rin yung ating inflation when it comes to medical. Highly recommended na kumuha ka nito. Pwede mong ilagay dito sa Platinum Secure or kumuha ka ng separate like AIA Max Protect Medical. The next rider is the TPD or Total and Permanently Disability. Covered tayo nito until mag-65 pag inattach mo sa plan. Ang mura-mura lang ng rider na to, but we never know kung kailan magkakaroon ng accident. Yung member makakatanggap ng TPD benefit if ever 3 out of 6 activities ng daily living ay hindi niya na magawa dahil na bedridden siya. Ano yung mga daily activities ng human being ba? Ito yung eating, taking a bath, dressing up, toileting, transfer, and mobility. Pag 3 out of 6 dineclare na ni Doc na hindi na magawa ng member na yon, pwede na mag-file ng TPD. The third optional rider is the personal accident. Immediately pag na-approve yung plan, covered na rin tayo nito hanggang mag-age 75. Yung TPD, ganun din. Pero yung EMBR may waiting period na 30 days kapag ordinary illnesses. Ang kanyang pre-existing ay after a year, pero ang accident immediately. Going back to the personal accident, cover nito kung sakaling yung member namatay ng dahil sa accident or naputulan ng body parts. Meron po itong percentage. Kunyari, isang kamay, 50%, yung mga daliri, may percentage. Kunyari, 1 million yung life insurance, tapos 1 million yung kanyang accident. Kung sakaling namatay yung member dahil sa car accident, 2 million yung matatanggap ng kanyang beneficiaries. Kung naputulan siya ng isang kamay at 1 million ang kanyang coverage, 500,000 ang pwedeng ma-file nang dahil sa accident na dismemberment. And kung sakaling yung member nakasakay sa public transportation na ticketed, like tren, yung MRT, LRT, yung Grab, yung bus, airplane, o kaya naman na dahil sa calamities, fire, typhoon, earthquake, times 2 yung matatanggap. So may additional 100% na matatanggap kung sakaling nangyari yung accidental death or accidental dismemberment, either of the 2 instances, ticketed, riding in a public transportation, o kaya naman calamities. Yung fourth natin na optional benefit ay hospital income benefit. Kapag na-confine po yung member ng dahil sa illness or sa injury, minimum 12 hours yan usually, pwede tayong makapag-file ng reimbursement kapag na-discharge na yung member. Paki-take note lang na dapat tama yung date of confinement tsaka date of discharge kasi sometimes nagkakamali ito para hindi na hassle for you. Cover tayo nito for 365 days. Yung fifth optional rider na pwede nating idagdag ay yung 10 critical illness rider. Ito, cover lang ito yung major critical illnesses, cancer, stroke, heart attack, to name a few. Cover po yung member after 90 days waiting period mula ma-approve yung plan up to age 75. Yung next nating optional rider, favorite ko to, enhanced waiver of premium. Kasi ang ginagawa nila, iwi-waive niya yung pagbabayad or yung premium ng policyholder kung sakali ito'y na-diagnose ng major critical illness na listed or ma-total and permanently disabled siya. Makakapag-focus na lang yung member sa pagpapagaling while si AIA yung magbabayad ng plan on behalf of the client. Yung next ay PTB or Payer's Term Benefit. It gives additional coverage for the payer in case of untimely death. The last optional rider ay PBDD or Payer's Benefit for Death and Disability. Highly recommended lahat ng plans na kukuhanan natin sa ating mga kids, sa minor, kailangan maglagay ng PBDD. Kasi kung sakaling yung payer or parent ay matotal and permanently disabled or mamatay earlier, ang mangyayari, mawi-waive yung premium and magi-stop na rin tong PBDD na to pag na-reach niya yung any of these conditions. Una, when the insured or that child reaches age 25. Second, when the owner reaches age 60. Or third, at the end of paying period. AIA will be the one to pay the succeeding premiums para hindi na mamroblema at makover na yung anak mo. Kumbaga, fully paid na. Kung sakali man na age 0, tas kumuha ng AIA Platinum Secure, by age 2, nawala yung parent, 20 years to pay yung plan, fully paid na. Hindi na iintindihin, masisecure mo yung savings plan na kinuha mo para sa anak mo. Let's recap. Ito yung mga key features ng AIA Platinum Secure. You have the guaranteed issuance even at age 75. You now have guaranteed milestone bonuses at age 80 and 90 na dati sa A+ signature, walang ganon kung sakaling ito na yung piliin mo. Guaranteed cash payout, guaranteed death benefit, and guaranteed maturity benefit at age 100. Meron ka ring notable features na non-guaranteed dividends. Meron ka ring option to add up to 8 optional riders and medical variant kung HMO for confinement or nakafocus lang talaga sa medical ang purpose ng pagkuha ng plan. So ang tanong ngayon, magkano ba yan, Christine? For single pay, kunyari age 50 siya, that's 2.35 million one-time pay with 1 million face amount, 2 million na yung life insurance kasi nga 200%. Here's the scenario 1, kung sakaling kukunin mo na agad yung cash payout. So kunyari by age 80, the total living benefits is 3.3 million. Pero pag iniwan mo yung payouts mo, yung milestone bonus and potential dividends at age 80, that's 5.68 million. Bakit ba long-term yung pinapakita ko? Age 80, 90, 100. Pero kung sakali lang umabot tayo doon, kasi part siya ng ifs of life. Hindi lang dying too soon, hindi lang sickness and disability, even living too long is a problem. Kaya dapat mag-save ka for the unfunded years, we never know. Dito sa single pay, dahil 50 siya kumuha, by the end of year 5, which is age 55, matatanggap niya na yung kanyang first payout kung sakaling dito siya sa scenario 1. Of course, meron rin siyang matatanggap na 25% ng kanyang face amount for the milestone bonus kapag na-reach niya yung age 80 at 90. Pag 2-pay na plan, again, this is a limited time offer lang. Hanggang October 1, 2026 lang to. Para sa age 45 na female, that's 1.15 million per year for 2 years. Para sa face amount na 1 million, you'll get 100,000 by the end of year 5 kasi 2-pay yung plan. Meron ka ring 2 million na life insurance coverage. Ito yung mga natanggap niya na guaranteed cash payout in the past years para sa scenario 1. And then upon reaching age 80, ang kanyang total living benefit ay 3.7 million. Pero pag scenario 2, iniwan niya ito, instead na 3.7 million, that's 6.70 million. Again, pag na-reach niya yung age 80 at 90, meron pa rin siya matatanggap na milestone bonuses, that's 250,000 each. What about for 5 years to pay? Example naman natin dito, 40 years old. Are you going to receive the payout or let them grow in the future? So that's 159,552 per year for the next 5 years. Sa face amount na 350,000. So kung gusto mong mas malaki matanggap na guaranteed cash payout, taasan ang face amount. Meron rin siyang life insurance sa 700,000 or 200% ng face amount. By the end of year 8, so dahil 5 years to pay na to, by age 48, makakatanggap na siya ng first payout niya para sa scenario 1, that's 35,000. And then for how many years until mag-age 80, Ito yung total amount ng kanyang guaranteed cash payout, 600,000 plus. And yung total living benefits niya ay magiging 1.38 million. Pag pinili niyang buwana ng kanyang payout, ang kanyang milestones at ang kanyang potential dividends, ito ay pwedeng lumaki ng 2.59 million. This at 4.2% dividend accumulation rate. What if gusto mo naman mas maging comprehensive yung plan? Dagdagan natin ng ating optional riders. For example, para sa female ulit na 40 years old, nilagyan natin ng personal accident. Ito siya, 350,000, TPD, 350K, 10 critical illness, 350K, yung daily hospital income benefit, 5,000 pesos per day, and of course, my favorite rider, enhanced waiver of premium. That's 237,000 per year for the next 5 years. Ito ang kanyang scenario 1 at age 80, 1.38 million pa rin. And then ito, pag age 80, 2.59 kasi ito yung ating total living benefits. Para sa 5-pay plan na may 350,000 na face amount, ang matatanggap niya na milestone bonus by age 80 and age 90 ay 87,500 or the 25% of the face amount. What if mataas pa para sa'yo yung mga plans na pinakita ko? Meron rin kaming 10-pay. So kunyari, 35 years old, basic plan lang. Insurance, tapos itong savings, that's 57,960 per year for the next 10 years. Ito ay meron siyang 250,000 na face amount or life insurance na 500,000. Again, 10% ng face amount, yun yung matatanggap na guaranteed cash payout kung sakaling scenario 1 ka. Makakatanggap ka nito by the end of year 8 and that's 43 years old. Ang natanggap mo na from age 43 onwards hanggang mag-80 ka ay 500,000 plus na guaranteed cash payout in total. And then you'll be receiving 1.05 million na total living benefits. Hindi pa rin mawawala ang milestone bonus na 62,500 by age 80 and age 90. Kapag pinili mo yung scenario 2 at during the application, iniwan mo yung payout para may potential pa kumita ng konti ang iyong money. Yung 1 million magiging 2 million by age 80. What if gusto mo ulit mas maging comprehensive ang plan mo, hindi plain savings tsaka insurance lang? Nilagyan mo ulit siya ng personal accident, TPD, 10 critical illness at tigto 250,000, daily hospital income benefit na 5,000 per day, and enhanced waiver of premium. At age 35, that's 88,848 per year for the next 10 years. Ito ang life insurance, 500,000 with 25,000 na guaranteed cash payout or 10% ng face amount. You'll be getting that starting age 43 kung 35 ka. And ito pa rin yung matatanggap natin na living benefits. Yan, 1 million. And then 2.1 million kapag age 80. Lahat ng mga sinabi ko, of course, when we reach age 100, meron tayong matatanggap na 150% of the face amount. Ito yung ating maturity benefit. Kapag inabot natin ang age 90, minsan na 1 million kanina, 1.39. Pero kapag iniwan mo siya, that's 3.3 million. Kung mahaba ang buhay natin, ito ang ating total living benefits. Pero kung sakaling iniwan mo yung mga guaranteed payouts natin, that's 5 million. The longer term difference, ito yung sinabi natin, may payouts ka na, may bonuses and dividends na non-guaranteed. If mataas pa rin sa'yo ang 10-pay plan at gustong-gusto mo magkaroon ng AIA Platinum Secure, don't worry, meron tayong 20 years to pay. For example, age 30 na female, that's only 32,857.50 per year for 20 years. Meron kang 250,000 na face amount or 25,000 na marireceive mo na cash payout by the end of year 8 kung scenario 1 ang pipiliin mo. And then, 500,000 na life insurance or 200% of the face amount. Kung 30 years old ka, makakatanggap ka ng 25,000 by age 38 every 2 years while alive. Kunyari, by age 80, ang total na guaranteed cash payouts na nakuha mo in the past years ay 612,000. And then, ito naman yung ating magiging total living benefits, 1 million pesos. meron rin tayong matatanggap na 62,500 na milestone bonus by age 80 or age 90. By age 80, ito naman ang ating total living benefits, 2.56 million. Of course, if we live longer, mas lalaki pa yung ating living benefits at pag na-reach natin yung age 100, you'll get 150% of the face amount. Kung gusto mong mas mapaganda pa yung mga benefits that you have sa plan mo, lagyan natin ang personal accident benefit, TPD, 10 critical illness, daily hospital income benefit, and enhanced waiver of premium. Magiging 47,000 per year for 20 years. That's 250,000 na face amount and 500,000 na initial life insurance. Kung mapapansin mo, in the past 3 options, 5, 10, 20, when it comes to riders, hindi ako naglagay ng Enhanced Medical Benefit Rider or HMO for confinement for the reason na if kaya, ihiwalay na lang natin yung benefit na to. Gawin natin AIA Platinum Secure and AIA Max Protect Medical. Same lang din kanina, you'll get the guaranteed cash payout kung scenario 1 ka, pag 38 ka na, that's 25,000 every other year while alive. You'll also get 62,500 as your milestone bonuses pag 80 at 90. Ito rin yung matatanggap mo na total living benefits kung sakaling gusto mo makuha na yung money mo by age 80, that's 1 million. 2.56 million kapag iniwan mo yung guaranteed cash payout, yung milestone bonus and potential dividends. And of course, you'll still get 150% of the face amount para sa iyong maturity benefit at age 100. That's it. Those are the benefits of AIA Platinum Secure and kung paano ito makakatulong to prepare for your future income and retirement needs. Just a tip, as AIA Life Planner, I highly recommend kumuha ka pa rin ng VUL plan katulad ng AIA Goals Protect or AIA Money Tree for the reason na hindi enough ang AIA Platinum Secure or yung mga traditional or guaranteed plans para sa target amount mo na retirement. Malaki ang kailangan natin na money pag nag-retire tayo, lalong-lalo na if we live longer. Mas maganda pa rin mahaluan ang portfolio mo ng merong potential growth yung pera para pwedeng lumaki yung portion nito habang meron kang peace of mind sa pagkakaroon ng plan na may guaranteed like this one. If kailangan mo na tulong sa pag-compute at pag-plan for your retirement, o kaya naman kung may questions ka dito sa AIA Platinum Secure or other AIA plans, you may comment down below or you can send me a message.